Sure is difficult working on cars. Oh boy, here we go. What's up, YouTube? Today we're back working on the 66 Mustang, getting the brakes put on, working, bled, and I'm hoping we can turn it over, see if we can hear some engine noises or at least see if it spins. And I did this opening in homage to my buddy Doug Hovey, Time and Money 620. Thank you for the hoodie. I appreciate you, buddy. You guys go check out his channel as well. He starts all of his videos with, "Hey, what's up, YouTube?" So there you go. The master cylinder on this Mustang has been leaking. So our plan is to replace it. We're not going to get rid of the old master cylinder. We're going to keep it, see if we can find a rebuild kit, get it rebuilt, and eventually put it back on the car. But for now, since we want to get the car up and going, put the other one on that we have that was bought about 10 years ago, but it's brand new. I think it was bought from Napa. Get it put on the car. We're going to bench bleed it, put it on the car, bleed the brakes, and see if we can get brakes back on the car. We do have some concerns because when we pushed this car around from the front to the back of the house, it didn't roll real good. Felt like one of the brakes was hanging up just a little bit. So we're a little worried that once we get the brakes bled, we're probably going to have one lock up. So we'll deal with that when we get to it, but we're preparing for it. So, and also, this is not going to be a tutorial of how to put a master cylinder on a Mustang. This is basically just kind of entertainment purposes of what we're doing to this car to get it back onto the streets. I want to start it today. Dad doesn't. So there might be one more video on this. If you want to go back and watch the other videos, the first two parts of this, basically getting a CC6 Mustang up and running, been sitting in the garage for 20 years, and just all the little stuff that we have to do to get it going from sitting and being neglected. We swapped out the master cylinder with a new, I think it's OEM, from Napa Auto. I think it was bought about 10 years ago. Got it stuck on, got it full of fluid, and we haven't bled the brakes yet, but we did bench bleed the master cylinder before we put it on. And we found our locked up brake. After getting the brakes bled, this front driver's side is locking up on us. We can manually get it to release by releasing the pressure off of it, but as soon as you push the brakes again, it's locking back up. I don't know if proportioning valve is screwing with us or if it's something in the brake itself. Gonna dig into it and see if we can get it figured out. Master cylinder, which came off the car, we're keeping it. I'm gonna try to find a rebuild kit, see if I can rebuild it so we can put this one back on. Looks like it was leaking up here in the front. So yucky. Brake fluid, some nasty junk, that's for sure. And since I'm impatient, I want to see if this thing turns over. So we're going to jump over to the engine right quick and see if we can get it to turn over. Letting Quinn jump on there, crank it over by hand.
Which way does it go?
Down.
Okay. Yeah, that's right.
Yep, it's moving. So the engine's free. I'm thinking we should hook this battery up and see if this thing will turn over. What do you think, Quinn?
Yep.
All right, we'll see what happens. All right, go ahead. Well, she spins over. Awesome. We do not have the fuel lines hooked up yet. I'm still off down here on the fuel pump. Also off on the gas tank. That's why I knew it wouldn't start up. But it turns over. And the nice part is it wasn't ticking up top when he was doing it. So looks like we got some good oil pressure coming up to it. Now I'm excited. I love all the love and support that you guys have been giving my videos lately. Doing the Mustang. I appreciate everyone tuning in, subscribing, following along. It's October of 2025. I'm hoping to have 1,000 subs by the end of the year. If you guys could help me out with that, hit the little subscribe button down below, follow along. There's content about the Mustang that's gonna be on there. Probably have one more video. Hopefully. Might be jinxing myself. Hopefully one more video on the Mustang. We'll have it running back onto the streets after this video. Harley Davidson back there, 46-45 cubic inch. I've got a 62 Nova that I'm gonna get back onto the road. Kind of the same story as the Mustang. I've got 2 Harleys at my house, so there is good content coming up. I appreciate you guys tuning in, and please subscribe. Love to get that 1,000 mark. Thank you. Now back to the content. So YouTube friends, this is where I need some help. This rotor is locked up tight. Other 3 are loose. Pop the valve, let the pressure off, it frees back up. As soon as you push the brake again, it stays locked. I don't know if I have a problem here, junk or something in the disc and not letting the fluid move back to the master cylinder, or if the proportioning valve is bad and stuck on one side. Both front brakes run off of one proportioning valve right up here. Now, I am going to say I'm no expert on first-gen Mustangs. I'm learning as we go on this deal. My dad knows his first-gen Mustangs, and he's here with me helping me out as this is his car. And my son's learning as I am too. But we're kind of stuck on this deal. If you guys could give me some advice of which way I need to go or how I can troubleshoot this issue, it'd be helpful. Kind of at a stuck spot right now, trying to figure this out. I looked to see if I could pull the proportioning valve off and maybe take it apart and clean it, and I'm not seeing how it can be taken apart. It looks like it's press fit together, but once again, I am not positive. I don't know for sure. Please help me out on that if you guys know Mustangs. Here's the proportioning valve that I speak of. I'm not sure if this is the issue or if it's down in actually the brake itself. While we're underneath here, not only is the master cylinder on, new fuel filter is on, got a new fuel line up top, got the new battery in, so we're looking pretty good. Also, we've changed the oil, new filter, new oil. We're pretty much ready to fire this deal up as soon as we get the brake problem fixed. As always, I appreciate you guys watching the videos and following along. We got a lot done on the Mustang today. I'm happy with where we're at. I think it would start. We decided not to put gas to it just in case we had a fire or something. The car is basically sitting on jack stands, so we couldn't get it out. So what we're thinking is get the brake problem fixed, which hopefully you guys can help me with. After I get the brake problem fixed, that way I can roll the car, or we can roll the car, put some gas to it, and I think it'll fire up. It turned over fine and sounded amazing, so we're almost there. I think once we get this little brake hiccup fixed, we'll be good to go. May have just jinxed ourselves. So make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you.